Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about the fifth presupposition in NLP. Fifth presupposition states that people work perfectly, they just need better strategies. And what do I mean by strategies? So strategies is related to the first presupposition, which is map is not the territory. So internally we create a map of the world, of how the world is, and we begin to react towards it. We begin to deal with in ways we think it is, and how we deal with it is called strategy. Everyone develops their own unique strategies which is dependent upon the environment they grew up in, which is why you can never say that two strategies are different. Your parents have a different strategy, you have a different strategy, and this is where the gender gap terminology came in. There's a gender gap, we are unable to relate with each other. That is, the strategies of the two individuals have become so separated that they are unable to see eye to eye. They are unable to see like they are one person. And only when you begin to realize that strategies are the only thing that is different, not the person, you can begin to grow and transcend that particular relationship. That's not the point of this video. That's the point of this video is people work perfectly. So whenever you are in a position where you're beginning to blame yourself that something is wrong with you, tell yourself, nothing is wrong with me, it's just your strategy that is wrong. If you're unable to get friends, it's nothing is wrong with you. The strategies that you're implying to get friends is wrong. Unable to get dates, nothing is wrong with you. The strategies that you are implying or using to get dates is wrong. Unable to get a job, nothing is wrong with you. The strategies that you are implying to get a job is wrong. So nothing is wrong with you. You work perfectly. Nature is infinitely intelligent. It has given you all the resources. It's just the strategies you have developed to deal with the nature that's wrong, and you need to adapt the strategies, constantly change. Remember, you're not the strategies. How you react to the world is not you. The person is sitting inside and you are creating a software that's reacting with the world. Okay, remember that. You are entering a meta state. I will explain meta state in a different video, but this is where meditation and all comes in. Everything comes in together. This is a transformational course. And if you want to become better, if you want to empower yourself, if you want to master your mind, you need to understand people work perfectly. You work perfectly. People just need better strategies. You need a better strategy for living. Another scenario where this comes into the picture is that whenever you are picking up a new skill, you won't be good at first, okay? And that is why in the beginning, a lot of people start picking up new skill like trying to play a guitar, trying to play chess, but they do not continue because the strategy they are implying towards that particular skill states that they have to be good as soon as they start. That's the strategy they are implying, but that won't happen. You have to look bad before you can begin to look good. If you want to be good at particular skill, you will start with being really bad at it, and eventually you will be really great because you stick to it when other people's didn't. So that is why this is one of the biggest presupposition. It's applicable in every area of your life, especially in learning. If you're unable to learn something, you need to change strategy. Whenever and wherever you think you're not getting the result you want, you need to change the strategies. You need to change how you're dealing with the problem. Einstein has a popular saying, you cannot solve a problem by using the same mindset that you used to create it. So you have to evolve if you want to become better, if you want to solve the problems that you are facing. And that is part of NLP, and this is also why it is one of the biggest presupposition in NLP. So that was the fifth presupposition. People work perfectly, they just need better strategies. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.